Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a scenic drive along Florida's Highway A1A through the charming community of Crescent Beach. This area offers a delightful blend of natural beauty and historical significance. Crescent Beach is located just south of St. Augustine on Florida's Atlantic coast. The beach gets its name from the natural crescent shape of the coastline. The hard-packed sand here is ideal for activities like beach bike rides, walks, frisbee, and volleyball. Today, Crescent Beach maintains an old Florida vibe as a quieter beach with white sand, located in a mostly residential area. Locals love Crescent Beach because it is wide, has convenient parking, and isn't as congested as many beaches tend to be. Driving along Highway A1A through Crescent Beach provides a serene and picturesque experience, showcasing the area's natural charm and rich history.